Hi, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I'm back with some more Maremi small art collage books that are just so adorable. Great for journaling, junk journaling, art journaling, planning, card making, scrapbooking, anything you'd like to do with them. They're so much fun. So this is the Whispers of Fall and the Autumn Stories. I'm going to do the Autumn Stories first, I think, and then we'll get into the Whispers of Fall. Whispers of Fall is a background essential type of book for for all the backgrounds you need for any of your projects. So if I don't get through this in this video, I will have another video very quickly to go over that also. And here I'd like to show this book, The Magical Forest Stories. I did a video about this about a week ago. It took off. Actually, it was maybe 2 weeks ago. It took off. I'm getting tons of views because Marta, who owns Maremi Small Art, saw the video. I'm so happy and so grateful to her for sharing it on her website and her Facebook page and everything. The video of me flipping through the Magical Forest Stories. So take a look at that also if you come across this video. So you'll get an idea also what she likes to do with these type of collage books. They're very whimsical, very fun. It's just so enjoyable. And now that it's almost fall, I'm gonna go through the Autumn Stories. This one has backgrounds also, but it's mainly just adorable, cute little designs. The kiddos, oh my goodness, so cool, so pretty. It's very, some of them are very pensive. Marta likes to, have a variety in her books. These are some really great backgrounds with the fall leaves. It's almost autumn, not officially yet on the calendar, and today felt very warm where I live, so I don't know, it still feels like summer, but we're getting there. We don't need the coats like this little girl, but look how cute she is. In their little scarves. Just so sweet. And the colors are so vibrant. I hope it comes across in the video. The vibrant colors of the leaves and the images, all the reds and oranges. You got some cute fairies here. Little faces that say it all, right? Because he doesn't like that it's getting cold. If you don't want the girls to be, or any of the little children to be fairies, you can cut off their wings. Obviously, these are cut apart collage books, so you can cut it as how you enjoy to cut it. Here's a little bunny down here. He's like looking up at the girl, but this doesn't have to be all used together. Obviously, it could be used as a page, but they're meant to cut apart things, so everything has multiple ways of being used. Okay, on the left side, it's usually the same image so that you can cut it out and not feel like you're cutting into something you really want. But if you do want it, there are extras usually, or you can photocopy these. Okay, remember that you can always photocopy something if you want to try to see, salvage it after you've cut it. But I really truly believe that these books are great for cutting apart and using. The paper itself is really good quality paper. It's not going to be the same kind of paper that you print out on your own, on your own printer at home. So, take that into account when you're thinking about photocopying things. It may not come out as well as you had hoped, unfortunately. See how cute these are. All the little kids, their noses are all red, like they've got a little cold. They're cold. They're out in the cold from the fall. It's just so sweet. So yes, added in some, there's some vintage look to these backgrounds with the music note pages. Here's, like a ledger page. So it's really, really awesome for junk journaling. Here you got all these, quotes and words. Great for, putting in your journals. cut apart animals. You can fussy cut or try to, you know, cut out with in different ways. And, you know, I have a brother scan a cut. I don't know if that would actually work with this so much because there is so much around every bit there. So, but fussy cutting might be necessary on that page. Again, you know, these you can cut out and you can make ATC cards out of these sizes. These are great for cards. She's the one on the front. Cute little girl. Yeah, so this is the fall collection, obviously. I also on my channel I have a spring book and a summer book that I got kind of late in the game, but it's still wonderful to look at. So I would check out my channel if you're into this type of collaging and, you know, journaling with this type of artistic flair. Oh, look at these birds. This guy's got shoes on. Oh goodness, so does he. Look at that. You know, boots. Wonderful. There's some trees. See, remember, you don't have to fussy cut all around it perfectly. You know, you could just cut around and have a back, like have a, you know, like some white behind it, so you have, you know, an outline. But still, that's fine. All the pumpkins. Thrown in like a little bit of, you know, the Halloween jack-o'-lantern type of look. There's some little house doors. There's a house with clouds. So cute. Oh my goodness. She's got a huge ladybug. One thing about the Marta's, you know, oh, look at all these words and sayings. One thing about her books are they're whimsical. That's what people need to remember. It's not like perfect stuff. It's just like a fantasy world and imagination. And, you know, here she has a witch that, wow, with like Converse sneakers. So, that's so adorable. So this is the bonus page, extra things that you know, she puts in that kind of give you an idea what's in some of her other books. She has a Halloween book out from last year too. I'm sure she'll be coming out with more soon. Again, here are the backgrounds. Here she is, Marta. Thanks for supporting my channel too, and I wish you the best. I hope everything's going well. Look how cute. It's adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna do the Whispers of Fall book too, because I've got time. I trying to go through it fast so that you get an idea, and I want this to get out. I am so happy that I've got so many subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody that has enjoyed my flip throughs of all the great stuff I want to get out there, and including Marta's books from Maremi Small Art. These backgrounds are fantastic too for just putting on the back, you know, for crafting in all kinds of different ways with card making, obviously collage and decoupage and journaling, and look how cute these, just so pretty with the houses. I'm in frame there. Just gotta love this stuff. It's, I don't know, I mean, like, part of me doesn't want to cut up the book at all, but I do, because I want the stuff in my collection. I want to have it available as soon as I want to make something with it. You can cut into the book itself, you know, or I use a cutting, like a craft knife to cut the sides so you don't rip it. If you try to rip out the pages like that, you know, by hand, it may rip the picture, so I wouldn't recommend that. Look at that rustic door. Oh, it's a door. Unbelievable. And just to promote Marta a little more, because I think her stuff is so awesome. She's got a great variety, not just of, you know, like fall and autumn, but things for all seasons, for Christmas, for she's got industrial, you know, steampunk items. It's just a lot of fun. So you can find her online at Maremi Small Art if you plug that in, or on Amazon. You might want to put in Maremi Small Art and the name of the book. This is Whispers of Fall, this book. The other one was Autumn Stories. The most recent book she came out with, I think, is the Magical Forest Stories, which was this one here that I showed earlier. So yeah, if you're looking for these items, you know, make sure, you know, you put in as much information just to make sure, because you know, I think sometimes when I've looked online, it hasn't come up right away, just because, you know, new stuff doesn't always get into the queue easily. So, oh, look at that with the bridge. Oh, I love that type of look. And the stone staircase. Oh. Yeah, so definitely take a look at this if you're into journaling, card making, you know, ATCs, the artist trading cards. If you just like to do mixed media, you know, collaging, making tags, it's just endless, all this fun stuff that can be done with these type of books. And you know, with these images, you can cut them in all kinds of different ways. You know, you can cut just like part of this. The colors are just so beautiful. And the mushrooms. The stairwell, the walkway. Oh, I guess that's a stairwell here. I don't know, I love it. I think it's unique and fun and enjoyable. And I say, hey, you know, if you can, purchase these books. They are so much fun, and I've enjoyed having them in my collection, and I can't wait to show more. I'm hoping that, you know, she'll have more to share with you. Look at that. I love bears. I actually am very much into these cute little bears. Here's the bonus page, and you got, for the fall, moss house and the pumpkins. You can use this background here. There's Marta, and she's talking about her shadow box she made. So this one was from this past fall, I think, but it came out, but it can still be found online. And so I got it for now because I really love her collections, and I wanted to be able to share more with you. So yeah, so look for this one. This one has a lot of views. I think I have almost 900 views of this already. It's so adorable. All of them are wonderful. Definitely check them out. Thanks. Bye.